Hello my friends, my name is Omid and welcome to my another tutorial videos about React programming. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what are React class components and what are the differences between them and the function components. Also, we are going to create a simple class component and learn how to use them in our programs. Please continue watching this tutorial. React class components. Before React 16.8, class components were the only way to track a state and lifecycle on a React component. Function components were considered stateless. With addition of hooks, function components are now almost equivalent to class components. The differences are so minor that you will probably never need to use a class component in React. Even though function components are preferred, there are no current plans on removing class components from React. This tutorial will give you an overview of how to use class components in React. Components are independent and reusable bits of code. They serve the same purpose as JavaScript function, but work in isolation and return HTML via a render function. Components come in two types: class components and function components. In this tutorial, you will learn about class components. But it's a good question that how can we create a class components? When creating a React component, the component's name must start with an uppercase letter. You should pay attention that the React component has to include the extend react.component statement, and this statement creates an inheritance to react.component and give your components access to react.components function. The component also requires a render method. This method returns HTML. For example, look at this. Create a class component called car. Class car extend react.component render and then return, for example, h2 hi, I am a car, and close h2 tag, and we close braces. Now your React application has a component called car, which returns a h2 element. To use this component in your application, use similar syntax as normal HTML. Car. For example, display the car component in the root element. React DOM.render car document.getElement by ID root. Look at the whole code. Import React from React, import React DOM from React-DOM, class, and we bring class here, and then with React DOM.render we call the car class, and it's our final result. Hi, I am a car. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Goodbye.